Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you a Filipino living in the UK? Managing your finances back home is now easier with Gcash. Here's how you can use Gcash while in the United Kingdom. First of all, ensure you are a fully verified Gcash user. Open the Gcash app on your smartphone. To fund your Gcash wallet, link your UK bank account, go to Cash In, then choose Global Partners and Remittance. From the list of options, select UK Bank. This feature allows you to seamlessly transfer funds from your UK bank account to your Gcash wallet. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, review the details, and confirm the transaction. Your funds will be available in your Gcash wallet shortly. With funds in your Gcash wallet, you can now send money to family, pay bills, shop online, and more, all from the comfort of your UK residence. Stay connected and manage your finances effortlessly with Gcash. Even while abroad, download the Gcash app today and experience seamless transactions. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.